Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Mitsubishi Lancer tail lights. Full guide. Begin by opening the trunk and peeling back the trunk liner to expose the access panel. Remove screws from the panel, then unplug any wiring connectors carefully while supporting the light assembly. Keep hardware organized and note fastener locations for reassembly. If bulbs need replacement, swap them now and test the light function before reinstalling the liner and closing the trunk. Start by unscrewing the access panel to reveal the taillight fasteners and mounting nuts. Hold the assembly steady with one hand and remove the 10 mm nuts to free the unit. Pull the light outward carefully to avoid scratching paint, then depress the wiring clip and unplug the connector. Place the removed assembly on a soft surface and inspect bulb sockets for corrosion or damage before proceeding with replacement or repair steps. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated while working in the driveway and fits cup holders, which is handy for long DIY installs. It seals well and cleans up easily, making it a solid companion for any project. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When bulbs are accessible, twist the socket counterclockwise to remove old bulbs and inspect contacts for corrosion. Install replacements, then reconnect the wiring harness and have a helper cycle the lights to confirm brake, turn, and reverse functions work properly. Seat the assembly into its mounting points, hand thread the 10 mm nuts, then torque them evenly to avoid misalignment. Refit the access panel and trunk liner, then do a final light check before finishing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.